Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we are checking out these Seeds of Change. This is a 12-pack here. I already used one of them. I usually just buy these from our local store, but I saw that it was a great price on Amazon for the bulk package here. So I'm buying it from Amazon now, and I really like them. Highly recommend them. They're super easy to make. All you do is just tear this top, like a little 2-inch tear on it, and then throw it in the microwave for about 90 seconds, and it's done. Yep, I mean, it's like, makes it, nice and completely done. It's, nothing cold in the middle or anything like that. 90 seconds and you're good to go. I like taking these, putting, some on a plate, and then putting some fish on top of them. Makes it taste really good. Spanish style rice is the one I have here, but they do have all different types of flavors and stuff. This is the one with the quinoa, I think is how you say that. Peppers and corn. Overall, I've been very satisfied with them. I really like them, and I highly recommend them. So go ahead and check them out.